When indoor temperature falls more than 3 degrees below the thermostat set point, both the heat pump and auxiliary heat run together to restore comfort quickly. A dual heat activation event occurs when the thermostat energizes the compressor and a supplemental heat source at the same time. This happens because the thermostat senses a large shortfall between the current room temperature and the desired set point, and it issues calls to the heat pump and to auxiliary heat circuits simultaneously. Technically, the R terminal supplies 20-volt power, and during dual calls, the control logic ties R to G and Y, while also closing the aux circuit so both systems receive power. That means the outdoor unit attempts to provide heat with the compressor, while the backup electric or gas heat source comes on to meet the load. For practical troubleshooting, check the thermostat configuration first to confirm the differential set point is correct and that the thermostat type is set to heat pump, not conventional heat. If you want to reduce unnecessary auxiliary use, lower the temperature differential in small increments and monitor system response, and consider raising the set point less suddenly when returning home from cool conditions. Also confirm the heat pump is performing efficiently by testing the outdoor unit for ice buildup, listening for unusual compressor sounds, and checking airflow and filter condition because restricted flow can make the control call for auxiliary heat more often. 3 common mistakes cause confusion. Assuming the auxiliary heat is faulty when it is actually intentionally activated. The fix is to review the thermostat's dual fuel or emergency heat settings and observe wiring to confirm R, Y, G, and AUX behavior. Second, homeowners often set large temperature jumps, which triggers simultaneous operation. The fix is to make smaller set point changes or use a thermostat setback schedule to avoid sudden large calls. Third, clogged filters or obstructed vents reduce heat pump output and force auxiliary heat on. The fix is to replace filters regularly, ensure vents are open, and verify blower operation. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors who can inspect and tune heat pump and auxiliary systems and provide accurate quotes. Our site also helps contractors find work and participate in our discussion community where users and professionals share real-world troubleshooting tips and installation experiences.